Hi guys, in today's video I want to talk to you about how to open raw files in GIMP. Now by default, the current version of GIMP does not open raw files. You need an additional program to do this, and there are a few options out there. One that I really like is called Darktable. Again, it's an open source, absolutely free program that you can get. I'm going to include a link in the description, or you can just type in darktable.org in your browser and you should come here. On the front page there's some useful information, quick information about the program here. You can come and read this if you like, and then you can go to the install, choose, depending on your system, choose the right installer, install it. It should be pretty easy. In case you have any issues, let me know in the comments. And once you do this, once you have the Darktable installed, then you go ahead and open GIMP. Then you find your file or raw file type which you want to open in GIMP. You can just drag and drop it, and it will not open in GIMP, but it will actually automatically start Darktable, and it should load inside here. Now this is a very powerful program with a lot of options that will allow you to edit the image. It is not the most user-friendly at first. You may need to watch some tutorials to get you started, at least in the basic interface stuff. But in case you don't want to edit your image here, you can just close the Darktable, and this then will actually load the image in GIMP. So I guess it converts it and just loads it into GIMP, and then you can work with it here and then export it, of course, as you like. So that's it guys for this video. It's pretty easy. Just download Darktable and you'll be able to open your raw files in GIMP. And if guys this video was useful, I hope you like it. Leave me a comment, let me know. You can support the channel by joining the Patreon, link is in the description, or giving the thanks button. And if you're new to the channel, I appreciate it if you subscribe and visit the channel for much more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.